Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to install CorelDRAW Graphics 2022 on Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open the CorelDRAW setup. Sorry, yes. So we look for the setup, then double click on it to get started. Then you scroll down and go. Now it's asking for the serial number. Uh, let's copy the serial number. Since we are installing CorelDRAW 2022, so we look for the products here 2022. Yeah, CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2022. So just need to copy the serial number out and copy and paste it here and click on next, typical installation, then window, the installation gets started. So we have to wait till the installation is through. The installation is still going on. And also, as the installation is going on, we since we copy the serial number, so we have to wait till the installation is finished before we close it, because after the installation we have to click on the activation code to get it activated. It's almost done now. So click on finish. So after this, go to the updates. So here is the updates. So we right click on it and run as administrator to update the installation. So continue, then updating is going on. So after the updating, after we've updated the installation, then we are now going to click on activation code to activate the CorelDRAW 2022 graphics. So we have to wait for this to get completed also. Let's wait for the updating to get completed. Now click on finish, then go back to the keygen, then click on activation. So activation data has been added successfully. Then okay. Then we can now close the keygen. Then let's run the Corel. Now, now the installation has completed. So and the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2022 is now ready for usage. Um, so thanks for watching. Kindly share, comment, kindly share this post with your lovely ones. Thanks for watching.